I just know that this is going to be the best unboxing of this year for me, and I cannot wait to share it with you. Most stunning, most beautiful, best quality, and just the perfect bag for me. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am very excited today. I will be unboxing this most favorite of the year bag for me. I picked the prettiest bag in the market in my opinion, and I cannot wait to share it with you. This is from MOYNAT. I will unbox the two bags in two separate videos because I just feel that each one deserves its own attention because they are just so stunningly beautiful. I hope that you watch the other video that I'm going to share after this one, so look out for it. Are you ready? I'm very excited. Let's get started. This one I'm gonna save for the next video. I will start with, of course, the biggest bag. Erica was very good in introducing me and telling me all about the brand, and she's now moved to Japan, MOYNAT, and I followed her. She's such a lovely lady, very helpful. She gives the best service, and you really feel how important you are as a customer, and you get a lot of attention from her. I just feel like it's important when you buy something very expensive that you feel good about it from the beginning to the end of the process. So are you ready? Because I am, and I'm very excited to present to you this best bag of the year. Oh, yeah, so exciting. I really like MOYNAT because it's so exclusive. The bag doesn't look tired, and it's also not pretentious. Let's start already. Oh, let's open. I am so thrilled to show you. Charan, chan, chan, chan. Chan, chan, chan. Ah! How stunning is she? I know if you have been following me, my favorite color is purple, and this one is in gold hardware. So beautiful is she. Wow. And the turn lock is what really sold me. It's so easy to open. It just flips up like this. So yes, beautiful. I love what I like most with this brand is because they have very good quality bags, and as well as the gold hardware is 24 karat plating, and they only make 10 of each color of this kind all over the world. So that means you won't see a lot of girls wearing them. So if you are like me, who like to be more subtle at times, this would be perfect for daily work bag because it's very subtle and the quality is there. And at the same time, this is kind of like the brand and the bag that it would take one to know one. So that's how I describe it. You don't see it anywhere. A lot of people don't know about this brand. But very classy, elegant. I'm not rich, but I'm comfortable with where I am right now in my life. It's so beautiful. Let me show you the inside. Oh gosh, so beautiful. This is the card that comes with it, and then it comes with this little strap. So this one is also purple with the gold hardware. It feels so strong, sturdy. I like bags that are structured because I know they could last long, more durable. And yeah, she's so pretty, very pretty. So exciting. How cute is she? She's So lovely. I'm very much in love with this bag. Let's remove all this plastic thing. Beautiful. There she is, my new baby. This one for sure I could wear every day, and I think MOYNAT is one of the brand that I will be okay buying bags with colors, just because I'm very confident with the quality, and I think it's a long wearing bag. Thank you again, Erica. You are very helpful. I really enjoy working with you on getting all these things together for me. I just can't wait for another journey, but it might take me a little while to buy another bag, but for sure it will be in the horizon. If you live in Japan, go and visit Erica. She's such a darling. She's so adorable. She's very helpful. I really love working with her. Even she helped my bestie get her new bag as well. So we are twinning on the next bag, and I cannot wait to reveal. All right, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed my short video for today on my unboxing video. I am very happy and I'm very excited to take photos, and I will also make videos, separate videos comparing it with my other bags and the details of this bag. And so this is the Gabrielle bag in 31, size 31. It's the biggest size that they make for Gabrielle. And yes, the gold hardware is very rare. They don't really make it all the time. So yeah, if you can get your hands on it, it will be so nice to have. Yes, this is the Gabrielle and their most popular bag. Alright, so that is it for my video today. Please look out for my next unboxing video of the rest of the items that I have here, my small one and the little bag as well. I hope you have a great day wherever you are. Thank you so much, and I look forward to see you on my next one. I love you.